Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jumping in here after I filmed today's look to give you my intro since I forgot to do it before. But today we're going to be trying out some new fall makeup. I have the new Em Cosmetics Lip Dew and their new Serum blush in that Autumn Sky shade, so I'm really excited to show you this. And then before today I hadn't tried these two palettes from Em Cosmetics, so I'm very excited to show you some swatches and show you how I created this look in just a couple simple steps. I'm also going to be using some of my favorite LYS products today. It would mean the world to me if you would subscribe and support me on my YouTube journey, and let's get into it. Starting off first with the Supergoop sunscreen, I have the Glowscreen here. I really like the Supergoop sunscreen. It gives you just a little glow, a little tint, and it looks good under every foundation. For foundation, we're going to use the LYS Triple Fix Serum Foundation. This has got to be one of my favorites of last year and this year. I've gone through 3 bottles, and that's a lot for me. I have this little elf sponge. It looks like a heart. It's really strange. I haven't used it yet, so I'm not sure how I feel about it, but it came from the little Game Up collection that they have, and the brushes are really cute. I love the blue and the teal. Super cute. It looks a little dark, doesn't it? I'm gonna mix in just a tad of the House Labs because it is lighter. I use this foundation a lot on its own, and I use it mixed into basically any foundation that I want to change the coverage or the color. It works so well with every single product I put it with, so I really love it for that. And the finish is really nice. I expected for a serum foundation for it not to give coverage. Very wrong there. And I expected it to not work with my oily skin, which I was also wrong about. This is awesome. If there's one foundation I'd suggest you try for the past 2 years, it'd probably be that one. I'm gonna go in with Fenty Soft Amber. It's definitely a little light for me, which is saying a lot because I'm snow colored. Like, it's just not quite enough, but it looks really nice on the forehead and for like a base layer. And it does look good under the neck, I will give it that. A good subtle contour. There you can see it didn't do too much, but it did sculpt slightly. So if you aren't really into a heavy contour, this might be a nice color, but you have to be very fair for that to even show up on your skin. But it is cute. It's a good no makeup contour color. I have a brand new Em Cosmetics Terra Sculpt stick here because, actually that's not what it's called. So Soft Multi, that's a lot of words. I have a new Em Cosmetics So Soft Contour Bronzer Stick here because I finished mine. And this one looks much nicer than mine, which is covered in little smudges. I'm just gonna take this right here. That's it. Gonna grab the Kaja Catnap. I've used this for, oh my gosh, I don't know, when did it come out? I've used this for many years, and it is my favorite under the eyes. It's the perfect color. I know everybody likes the Becca one that Smashbox took over, but I don't know, it wasn't ever for me. It was too like creamy, and it just didn't set down the way that I wanted it to. This is more like a concealer, like a light concealer consistency. And it cancels out that darkness under my eyes that I Always have. Woo woo. Gonna grab the LYS Triple Fix Concealer. I have the shade LN3, and then the foundation shade is LP4. This has been one of my favorite concealers this year. I've gone through 2 tubes of it. It is really lovely. It sets down really nicely. It looks good with almost every single foundation. I don't know if there's a foundation that does look bad with. It pairs nicely with other foundations, just like the foundation pairs nicely when mixed in with other foundations. The only thing I don't like is that I can't get the thing back in. The applicator doesn't like to go back in the tube. I love what they do with all the triangle packaging. I just think it's so cute and fun. They even ship in little triangle boxes from their website. It's adorable. God, being attacked. One thing I would say is that if you really like the new Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin concealer, but you feel like it doesn't really correct any darkness or it's sitting on top of your skin a little bit, this one doesn't do that. It really blends in to your skin nicely, and I like it better than that other one, and it's a fraction of the cost. I can see my darkness really badly through the Charlotte Tilbury one, although I really like the consistency and the way that it blends in with other stuff, but this one just does more for me, more things that I want. It listens to me, unlike my animals. Really happy with how the skin looks. Very cute. Lightly contoured, feeling it. Okay, I have the new Em Cosmetics Color Drops Serum Blush in Autumn Sky. Em Cosmetics changed the packaging so it has this little droppery thing at the top instead of a push. The push thing didn't really pick up the product very well, and you kind of had to scrape this little thing on your face to get it to come out. This picks it up better. I still have issues with it working or giving me way too much, but I used it a couple times and it's definitely an improvement. I would suggest dropping it onto the back of your hand though, which is what I'm going to do so that that doesn't happen. I was just used to painting it directly on my face from the last packaging. Here's the color. It's really beautiful. Fall vibes right there. Wow. That blended out, absolutely stunning. It looks crazy right now, but we'll fix it. I like to blend out serum blushes with my finger first and then go in with the sponge so that it's a little evenly dispersed, and then you can take that color back. Yeah, See? I scared you there for a moment, but I redeemed myself. And I am gonna leave that pretty intense because I like to put a lot of powder on my face. Oily skin girls, where are you at? I'm gonna fill in my brows with the new Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. I'm not sold on it yet, but I'm trying to see if it grows on me. I don't know, sometimes I feel like it looks really nice and other times, I don't know. Well, I like the Kosas one better, but I can't find it at the moment. Okay, for powder, I'm gonna use the LYS Triple Fix. It's a Triple Fix theme today, I guess. I've just been really into these lately. I've gone through about 3 of these in the past year and a half. This is beautiful. And it has a bit of a tint to it, so it does take some of this color down, which I want sometimes, so I'm really not mad at that at all. If I want a powder that isn't gonna do that, the Rare Beauty one's really beautiful and stunning, but this locks it down for me. My oily skin is controlled with this. I absolutely love this in my nose area. I think that, I don't know how I lived without it, to be honest. It is the only powder I never have to worry about my nose. the entire rest of the day. I'm just concentrating that powder where I am the most oily pretty heavily. And then I'm gonna take lighter amounts, tap the brush off. What is on my face? What the fuck is that? Why didn't you guys tell me there's something on my face this whole time? Tapping off that excess makes sure that I don't take away too much of this beautiful blush from Em Cosmetics. Wow, that has gotta be one of the best fall blushes I've used. Let me know if you want to see my favorite fall blushes, because I feel like I really just want to put them all on my face. I'm gonna do a quick smoky eye using the Em Cosmetics Divine Skies eyeshadow palette in Faded Clementine. These colors, wow. I mean, that's all I have to say. I'm gonna take the orangey matte shade, concentrate that on the outer V. Let's zoom in a little actually. And going into the inner portion of the eye and flicking that outwards. Grabbing a different brush, I'm gonna go underneath the lash line and connect the two. Grabbing the brown shade, gonna go back into the outer V. Cute. Now I'm gonna grab this gold shade. Oh yeah, all over the lid. I'm gonna take the lightest shade and pop it in the inner corner. It's a little dark. The lightest shade's still a little dark. So I'm gonna grab the Venetian Rose palette, grab the lightest shade in that. And there's our finished quick smoky eye. I'm gonna do the other eye and be right back. Okay, so now for mascara, I have the Ilia Volumizing Mascara. I like how curled this gets my lashes. I definitely don't curl my lashes. I hate doing it. So I look for mascaras that do that for me. I'm just skipping eyeliner today because I don't feel like fussing with it. Just not in the mood. I think that looks really nice. Lastly, for lips, I'm gonna line my lips with the Rare Beauty LYS lip liner. God, I love that color. And then I have the new Em Cosmetics Everglass Lip Dew in the shade Secret right in front of me. So let's use that. It's a pretty brown color. Pretty brown, but also got an orangey red tint to it. It's nice. That looks so nice with the autumn sky blush color. And the eyes. Yep. I've worn this once in a different color and it just looks so nice. Oh yeah. This might be the new fall lip combo. I'm gonna grab this Pat McGrath highlighter since I skipped it earlier. This is the Skin Fetish Sublime Glow Skin Highlighter in Iridescent Gold 002. I like that it's not too gold, it's pretty champagne. And then because I have a problem, I'm gonna dip into the Faded Clementine blush from Em Cosmetics and just give it one little sweep, just for that extra hit of glow. And here is the finished final look. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next in the comments below. Please subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.